Hi and welcome in my new course. I'm extremely thankful you decided to join and I'm going to make sure you're not going to regret. This is a very short course on the use of Camera, how to process images in Camera and how to edit your images in Camera to make sure they look absolutely breathtaking. So Camera is one of the most powerful tool or plugin in Photoshop you could have. It allows you to process your raw images, but even if you're not working with raw images, it's extremely powerful editing tool. You can take down the highlights, you can bring up the shadows, and you can work with the control that no other software could give you. So no matter with what images you work in, you want to start with Camera, and actually you can process your images from very start to finish just in Camera to make your images breathtaking. What's the best in this course? You're going to get some images to practice, and probably you want to know who am I. I'm Marcin Mikus, I'm commercial fashion and beauty retoucher. And also, I'm a hobbyist photographer. I do a lot of landscape photography, as the one you can see in front of you. It's from my travel in Iceland. So you can have a look in my work on Behance to see my portfolio. As you can see, I'm mainly specialized in fashion and beauty retouching. You can also check some of my social media where I also share my professional work as well as my hobby photography with some landscape images, and I'm going to make sure that I give you as many information as possible on Camera. We're going to start simple with landscape images. I'm going to show you how to get your images from this to this in few simple steps, and I'm telling you, I didn't change anything, any part of the image. I didn't change the sky. It's exactly the same sky. I was just able, by working in Camera, to bring as many details from the image as possible. So we're going to start with simple landscape images, and starting from this, for example, to finish on this, and also starting from this to finish on this. I'm showing you how to work with basic landscape images, how to work with dramatic image like this one, and how to work with the sunset image to get as many details and as much dramatic effect as possible. After we get this basic information on Camera, we're going to jump into the outdoor fashion images. We're going to work on these two images, and I'm going to show you how to get from this to this in few simple steps, how to bring as many as possible details to your image to make it just look amazing outdoor fashion photography. So it's not only for photographers, for landscape photographers, but I'm going to show you how to work with different kind of images to get what's best. So don't wait anymore. Let's jump into first lesson and start learning so amazing skills in Camera.